Okay, we got the panels. We had to take, this one here is the one that was caught. We finally got the others loose by taking off all the side rails that the panels slide in. We got those off. So we took off the 3 panels that were loose. This was the one that was caught sideways. You can still see the mud mark from where it was. It's caught sideways in these wheels, these cog wheels here, these gears. Once we got the other panels off and loose, we went ahead and ran it back into the carrier. So this is spring loaded, and we're not going to put the other panels in here just because we don't want to jam things up anymore. But we had to take everything off, both sides and the slide rails. And we didn't take the side panels off entirely, we just took off the upper bolts and what would let us get things loose. So we've taken that all apart. We got into the main area where we could get that panel back. So now our back end is totally open again. So we're going to put back the caps, the covers, put the rails back in, and just leave it and not use it until Rivian can replace it with the new design. So we got that much done.